All these days I've been broken and hopeless, and I don't feel like I'm coping. I'm hoping that I can live and let go, so I can get through it. Yeah, I can live and let go, so I can get through this.
You know the pain can hang in the air like cigarette smoke, right? Sometimes trying to live and let go, so trying to talk with the mouth full of sentiment though. I'm trying to